Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple flex skirt. Okay, and it's also known as 180-degree skirt. It's not the regular full circle, so the flare is just simple and beautiful. So before we go on, I'm going to confirm how many yards I'll be working with, and this is just 2 yards of fabric of African print. So you need to be sure of your fabric before you start working. So now you're going to place the fabric on fold like this first. Then you're going to divide your skirt waist by 3.14. You know, if it's 360-degree skirt, it's going to be 6.28. But since this is 180, you divide it by 3.14. It is a constant calculation, a constant measurement. So after placing it on fold, you're going to be sure that you're not going to waste your fabric. Arrange the fabric very well, just like I'm doing now. So now after placing on fold, you will now pick the one end and place it diagonally, just like this. You pick one end and place it over in order to have this triangle. Remember, you place it on fold first and you now place it on bias again in order to achieve this triangular shape, and you arrange it very well. Please, that is very important. So I'll now go ahead and fix in the radius of the skirt, which is the skirt waist divided by 3.14. So you place your tape measure at the pointed edge of the fabric and mark the radius. So each time you need to adjust the tape measure, always also adjust it at the pointed part. So this is it. I'm done with the skirt waist. Then I'll now go ahead from there. I'll measure the skirt length also, your desired length for the skirt. And as you're measuring it, you should consider the fabric, the shortest fabric behind. Though I did my calculation very well before cutting, you understand? So be sure that whatever you fold in the first place is going to be enough for the actual length. Okay. So this is it, and I'm also going to cut it out. Remember to add your hemming allowance also. So this is what it looks like. This is the 180-degree skirt. You can see it's beautiful. So now I'll go ahead and cut band, and I'll be using a high waist band for this. So that means the band is going to be high. So I'll be using about 3.5 inches for the band. So it depends. Actually, this skirt belongs to a girl of about 8 or 10 years or something. So that's why we have a short skirt waist, a small skirt waist, and a short band. Okay, but nevertheless, it's a high waist band skirt. So I've measured the desired length and height. Then whatever the skirt waist run is, I added 4 inches to the band. Always remember to add some extra inches. So I'm just trying to confirm the measurement before I cut it out. So go ahead and cut out the band we are working with. Okay, so I'll go on and cut out the lining also. So the same way I folded the actual fabric, that's the same way I'm going to fold the lining. So I added interfacing to the band so that it will be more stable while attaching it to the skirt. So now I've joined the lining and the skirt together. Actually, I cut it on the same length. Then after joining at the hemming, so I now push some lining up and trim it out so that I can have that fold underneath. But you can use any method you are used to. So I want to go ahead and fix in the zipper so you can see. So just the normal way of fixing zipper and join the center back. So I fixed in the zipper. Then the next thing, I give it a good press. Then I'll go on and fix in the band. So first, I needed to confirm the skirt waist first before attaching the band. So I must be sure I have the exact waist that I'm working with, because in the process of cutting, I might have unknowingly added some inches. So now look at the band. I folded half inch just this way. Please just watch the process. Then I put the right side of the band onto the inside of the fabric of the skirt and push some allowance outward. I push the band forward a little bit beyond the zipper. So this is to allow the hook, the skirt, it's this to allow me attach this yes, because I'm going to be using the skirt hook. So that's why I needed some space outside the zipper in order to fix the skirt hook. So after sewing that first round, I'm going to sew it on half inch all through. Then I'll now turn it over and top stitch on the right side. Actually, I have a video on how to fix band on the channel, so you can check it out for better understanding. So I'm going to fold the half inch inward also, but on the right side. But you need to use pin to secure it first. Don't just go to your sewing machine and just start sewing. Please secure it with pin. It will save you a lot of stress. Secure with pin. It's somehow hard because of the interfacing. So you do it all through carefully. Make sure no part is overlapping. So guys, if you watched to this level and you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, so at the last part, you fold in the excess. But remember, this particular excess is going to be longer than the first one, just because of the skirt hook. See, so this is it. I had to refix the initial, where I started from. Arrange it very well with your hand before going to your sewing machine. Okay, so go ahead and top stitch. So now I've top stitched. You can see, make sure it is neatly done. Then you go on and fix yours. You can see why we need to leave some extra allowance outside so that it can overlap. So, and yes, our flex skirt is ready. You can see it's beautiful. It's good for children, it's good for adults. It's just a wonderful piece that every lady should possess in their wardrobe. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you find this helpful. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if I hate to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Honestly, I'm falling in love with this piece already. Like, I need to make some for myself too. So this is it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye.